Hi guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing good. It's your girl Genevieve, and today I'm with a special somebody. Introduce yourself. Tell the people who you are.
Hey guys, I'm Seneo. I'm Jeanette's cousin.
What's up? Babe cousin, what's up? So today, as you can see by the title, it's nothing bad. Me and Seneo are gonna keep looking at the phone just to check, if we're on the right track. But before we do, I'd like to introduce a special product, Daily Water. And I'd like to say thank you to the Daily Water 267 for sponsoring part of this video, because it's gonna make today's video interesting. Just to give you a little glimpse about the water, you get a chance to win prizes, and all you have to do is scan this little here QR code and win yourself a special prize. And I'm talking, you can win money, airtime, so on. And all you have to do is buy yourself a bottle of Daily Water for $10. That's all you gotta do. To tell you guys about today's video, all we're gonna be doing is basically checking the pictures, seeing who the person is, and then after that we make a decision. So when we say yes, we'll take a sip of some of the Daily Water to show you that it's verified, it's good, it's what's up. But if we don't, what happens when we don't know? What happens if we don't take a sip of the Daily Water?
We're supposed to take a sip of the Daily Water. We're supposed to take a sip of the Daily Water. We are supposed to take a sip.
If we don't take a sip of the Daily Water, just know that the answer is no. But it's nothing personal, hey? We love all of you guys. This is just a game that we're playing for fun.
No hard feelings.
No hard feelings. But please. Rerang hates me. I don't hate anybody.
No hate.
No haters. All love, all peace. But to make this game very interesting, we're just gonna take it one at a time, because I asked people to suggest male creatives in our nation, because who else can we use better than our own daughters? You know what I'm saying? We might as well just you know what I'm saying, honey? So we're gonna start. All right, okay, so the first person that we have is Deji. What I know about Deji, he's a model. That's what I know. He's a model. He's half Nigerian, and he's half Tswana. But guys, anyway, let the water decide. So I'm gonna do a countdown, okay? We're gonna do a countdown whether the water is happening or not. So just gonna get our water out. Gotta hydrate, you know what I'm saying? 3, 2, 1.
Go.
I would, because I know he's tall, dark and handsome. Alrighty, okay. But why? Is it because you don't feel the tall, chocolate and handsome? You don't see it yet. You need more evidence.
Nigerians.
Okay. It's nothing personal. It's nothing personal.
He's cute, but no, I'll pass. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Then number 2. Oh my God, this one is interesting. The one that we have is Pete the DJ. So I'm just gonna put the phone here, and we're gonna put our Daily Water out and see, are we gonna be hydrating or what? So are you ready?
Yes.
You're ready?
I am.
A button raised.
I am ready.
Alright sis, okay, we're taking out our water. So I'm gonna do a countdown again, just to be sure. This is a safe game, safe space. no one gets hurt. Okay?
No one gets hurt.
No one gets hurt. All right, and I'm counting down. 3, 2, 1.
I am not. I am not.
Why?
Okay.
Why are you
No.
not? Girlfriend, just do the things. You know what I'm saying? Sip a little H2. Are you sure you're not thirsty?
No.
Okay, before we dive into it too much, let's not give you guys, let's not keep you guys waiting for too long.
Please.
We don't want you to. Hey, we don't want you to. Okay. So the next one, okay, interesting. I think let you introduce this one so that I'm not alone in this.
Next one we have Rose.
Rose. Okay.
Rosé.
You hear the name? You gotta sip out some Rose. And
Calm down. Calm down.
all right, sis. I'm ready.
3,
Oh my God. Okay.
1.
Okay. That was a gulp. Was that a sip or a gulp? Yeah. Was that a sip or a gulp? Because
It was a gulp.
has to run with the little ones.
No. But yeah.
But yeah,
Rosé.
a sip of some rosé. Okay.
Rose. You know.
Not for me, it's nothing personal one. He is a cute guy. I don't want to lie. He's actually quite cute. I think because, he's a superstar out there, he's booming out there. So I don't want to put my guard up. You know what I'm saying? I just want to relax.
Right.
All right.
And next one we have Gavin.
Gavin.
Once upon a time,
Yo.
Yes, Gavin is well. This is another little
I mean, listen,
Gavin.
listen, it's someone who's famous and he's in a relatively really amazing group. You know what I'm saying? So what are we saying?
Shout out to Ubuntu Band.
Shout out, my niggas. In case y'all see the video.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey guys. Hey Gavin.
I haven't drank the water yet.
Calm down.
All right. Are you ready?
Yes. So there's water. Don't forget.
3, 2, 1. Okay, ma'am. Sip on the tankura.
Gavin. Hi.
Kgwaneng, hi. Okay, she's here. Just call. You know what I'm saying? Hit her on Insta. She everywhere. Okay. All right. Okay. I mean, Gavin is adorable. He's adorable. I'll definitely slip into.
Dark. You know.
You know what I'm saying?
Dark
That
chocolate.
umswenko. You know what I'm saying? You know.
You know.
But I wanna dive too much into it. Can I?
Yeah.
Moving on.
Moving on. Well, I'll let you introduce that one.
Okay. We have here Dintle on the track. I actually did not know this guy. Like, I actually did not know him. Like, when I heard the name, I was like, okay, all right. He's someone new to me. Like, I've never heard his music. I would actually want to hear it because, support my fellow BW artists. What's up? That's what's up. So, okay, we have Dintle on the track. So, are you ready?
Yes.
You ready? Are you sure you're ready? All right, she got her water. That means I gotta get ready too. You know what I'm saying? In 3, 2,
1, go.
Nothing personal, okay?
Totally.
Nothing personal.
To be honest, it's just a game. Like we said,
we're just chilling.
Yeah.
We're just chilling, my nigga. Vibes. It's just
personal.
vibes on vibes. Anyway, drum rolls, please. Someone suggested this on IG on Instagram, and we have David Billboard. David Billboard. So, oh, you don't? I actually know him. I was actually once in an interview with him. Like, not with him, but like I was there. Particular about his style, you know. He has that vintage look going on, you know. Yeah, it's really neat. It's really neat. Yeah, homeboy. He's an influencer, I think.
Oh.
And he's a fashion
David Billboard
influencer, I think. Not too sure, but homely style, his brand.
Is it? Yeah, I'll check him out. Back.
Like Mokwata.
You're back.
Ting. Ting. Alrighty, so we're gonna sip some of our water. If we wanna sip it.
In
so,
3,
2, 1. I think I got choked by water. It's like going to the right hole, not the wrong one.
Definitely.
Oh, that was refreshing. It felt like it needed another.
Get daily water, guys. You
Guys,
should get it.
it's actually quite soothing. Like, I don't wanna lie, it tastes. I don't know how I can say it tastes like, but I think Fiji water. I've never tasted Fiji water, but I think it's something close to Fiji water. In my opinions, let's move on to what's important.
Next, we have. Oh my gosh, I can't pronounce his name.
I can't pronounce his name either.
I'll try.
I know you will.
Well, we have zero. Something like that, guys. He's on TikTok, you know.
Yeah, he's TikTok famous. Someone told me he's TikTok famous.
One of the top 5 TikTokers in Botswana.
Oh, top 5. I didn't know. Yeah, but I'm not on TikTok, guys. So I didn't know.
You know?
Yeah. But yo, this is my name, or tell me how to pronounce it, because
what I know is
language.
He's from Kalahari, I think.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I know.
Oh.
Yep. We're back at it. We are back at it.
Yes, you know what it is. You know the drill.
You know how it rolls.
You're born for this.
Ready.
I'm ready. In 3, 2, 1, go. Girl! What? Look!
Hey! My girl!
Listen, guys. Nothing personal. I was just taking a good sip of some of this great water. I mean, blame me, guys. Blame me.
Oh my god. Wow. Miguel.
Blame me.
Miguel. Anyway, we're not gonna go much into it.
Anyway,
let's hope.
Moving on.
He's pretty quiet.
Guys, it's nothing personal. I was just trying to take a good sip of some of this amazing water. You guys should definitely do. And don't forget, you win the prize. Okay? Scan that baby.
Moving on. We have is it Manie?
Manie. It's Manie. I think Manie. I don't know if it's Manie or Manny.
Many or many from the Ubuntu band.
From the Ubuntu.
The dark one. You know, yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. The gangster one, you know.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
The one with the bass.
Yeah, that's him. Murney.
I like the name. The name is so... It's fine. It's like, you know, hey, I'm Maney, you know.
Hey, baby girl, I'm Maney.
I can just imagine. Maney's my man. Like, woo! Who's Maney?
Maney is my man.
Oh, okay. Ubuntu, watch out.
Yes, I'm Ubuntu.
Ubuntu, watch out.
Mrs. Ubuntu.
Watch out. Watch out.
The water.
The water.
It's water.
Water.
It's water.
Okay.
It's water.
It's just water.
Amanzi.
It's just
water.
Meti. It's just water. It's just water.
Meti.
Okay, guys. Hey, let's not just water. It's the daily water.
It's
the one that you have to
the
take on
Lotto
it daily. The
water.
Lotto water. You know what I'm saying?
Calm down.
In 3.
It's many, guys. Don't forget.
Is this something you want to say before we sip? Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's enough water. That is enough water. That is enough water you've taken for Ubuntu. Please, please, let the men breathe. Like, I'm sorry, guys. I just have to mention, like, she's so pretty right now. Like, she's so cute. Like, girl! Y'all do. Oh, yeah.
She's the plug.
Me.
Renevieve Cosmetics.
You know what it is.
Yeah.
We make you look cute and good, so that when you find your man, your husband, you're looking the part. You know, you never know when you get proposed, guys. Hey, for 2021, that's a lot.
Time.
Times will have.
Yeah.
Alrighty. We have an interesting figure who I don't know actually. Another face I don't know, and his name is Brilliant Kobe.
Brilliant Kobe.
Yeah,
Brilliant Kobe.
like he's a brilliant Kobe, guys. Like,
I don't know him.
he's
Never heard
brilliant.
of him. Yeah,
I actually don't know him. It's my first time, but it's good to meet you in case you meet this video.
Good to meet you, Kobe.
Alrighty, so
It's the hair color for me.
it's the hair color for me.
It's the for me.
Guys, I'm trying to get orange hair, and I've been telling this Han, I want to get orange hair. Comment down in the section below if you think it's going to suit me. Just putting it out there. Anyway, before I get to talk about myself way too much, let's talk about the real people who are here for.
Brilliant Kobe.
Yes.
And daily water, guys. Don't forget, please.
Don't forget, let this ring in your mind. You know, the load of water. The machanku water. When you drink this, my dear,
My chunks.
so ready. Are you ready?
Are you ready? Ready.
Now we're shaking the water. We're no more shaking the... It's no more drums. We're beating the drums of the water.
3,
2, 1.
Brilliant Kobe. It's the hair color for me. I told you.
Okay, Miss Thing. Okay, Miss Thing. I think we better hold her bottle back. No, I think you've had enough. What's in the water? Tastes like Fiji, huh?
Daily water.
It tastes like Fiji. I had a feeling.
It's daily water for me, guys.
So this next one is another interesting person.
Well, we have Tommy.
Yo, ele, yo.
Guys, I don't know how to sing. I don't.
Me
She's
too.
a singer.
I'm
She
trying
is a singer. I don't know how to sing, guys. But yeah.
But you know, re dlala ka lona, re dlala ka wena.
Kgwaneng mosetsana.
Ra tlala, ra
O tshela
teka.
ka mina.
You know what?
Kgwaneng mosetsana. And Tommy, o tshela ka mina.
He's going crazy over us. I
Tommy.
mean, who wouldn't, guys? Look at-
Tommy. Like, no.
Anyway, oh my.
Anyway, back to the daily water.
You know what's up.
You know,
In 3,
in 2, in 1, yeah.
still tastes good.
Hey.
I was just checking.
Okay. I'll believe you.
I mean, guys, the water tastes good.
Right. Yeah.
But you know what I'm saying. It's nothing personal.
Mm-hmm.
It's nothing personal.
Well, it's nothing personal.
It's nothing personal. But Ubuntu Band, shout out.
Shout out Ubuntu Band. Shout out.
Alrighty.
Have Kenzie SK.
I know Kenzie actually, not personally, but I know him because he's from Ice Cold Mob, one of those singers. You know that 3 of them, they Sal Angel, he's Austin, and he's him. Right.
I only know the name Ice Cold Mob and songs. I don't know what the singer.
Well, that's him.
Okay.
The one with the soft.
I think I
rapping.
know Angel.
Yeah. Austin is the one who has the more hardcore rapping,
Oh.
and then he has like the soft voice rapping. You know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just in case you can tell the voices.
Kenzie
him.
SK. Kenzie SK. Give it up for Kenzie SK. Woo!
Alrighty.
Back.
With a bang!
Back to daily water. Back to daily water. Back to daily water.
The lot of water.
Mm-hmm.
Anything can happen, baby. Anything can happen. Okay. Are you ready
Are you guys ready?
for the countdown?
Are you ready?
Because I know I am.
Well, I am too.
Alright. In 3, 2, 1, 0. Aren't we cute? We're just so adorable, man. Like, do you see us? Aren't we just adorable? Like, guys, family. It runs in the family. We are cute in this family.
It runs in the fam.
But anyway,
No hard feelings, okay?
it's nothing personal.
It's nothing personal.
Still love your music though. You're an angel.
It's not that personal.
I love your music. Personally, you're actually my favorite.
Well,
Alrighty, guys. We have come to the final. And like I've said, the daily water. We thank you so much for supporting us, and unfortunately this is the end of our video, but we thank you guys for being with us.
Thank you so much.
throughout
Thank you
the
so much. Thank you so
video.
much.
So
One
much love. So much love. And I just want to say thank you for my special guest for joining us today, my lovely, beautiful cousin, guys. I mean, look at her.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I
Like-
hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you did, guys. The daily water. Don't forget
Don't forget
the load of water.
the load of water. The load of water, sweetie. And I just want to say before anything, don't forget to subscribe. like the video because I know you liked it. Comment. What would you have done if you were drinking some daily water?
Yes. The daily water.
Yes.
That daily
What were you
water.
gonna do? Don't forget, guys, it's only $10. Be sure to purchase it on our local stores. You can check them out at dailywater267 on Instagram. I will leave everything below for you guys to check them out. All right. Thank you, guys. I love you so much and have a great day.
Peace out. Doodles.